Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the body care hand and foot spa kit in the variant Marine. This kit comes with 6 sachets which includes hand and foot soak, scrub, massage cream, gel, mask and oil. Every single step is mentioned on the back of individual packaging, so you can easily do manicure at your home by yourself. Now this particular product is free from parabens and formaldehyde, and also they use only FDA certified colors and non-allergic perfumes, which is amazing. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Also, my nails are currently in a really bad condition, as you guys can see. So I'm going to show you how I cut and shape my nails in this video as well. Now let's start with the first step. This is the hand and foot soak. Take a bowl of warm water and add the soak into it. Lather it well until it is nice and bubbled up. Soak your hands into it for about 15 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. Just play some music and enjoy your me time. It's been 15 minutes. Now I'm going to wash my hands and I'll be right back. And the next step is exfoliating. This is how the scrub looks like. The exfoliating particles are very tiny, they are not at all harsh, they are very gentle on the skin. Exfoliate your hands with this scrub for about 5 minutes. Just be very gentle, don't be harsh on your skin. I'm done with exfoliating. Now we are going to move on to the next step. This is my favorite part. We are going to massage our hands with this massage cream for about 10 minutes. It was very relaxing and I enjoyed doing it. This kit is available in lemon variant as well. I have already tried it. Both of them deliver same results, but this particular variant smells amazing. And for the fourth step, we have the gel. This is basically petroleum jelly. Apply this on your cuticles and massage them for a while. And once they are soft enough, push your cuticles back with a cuticle pusher. And for the fifth step, we are going to be applying the mask. Apply a nice thick coat of this and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can use this kit twice except for the mask, which will be over in just one use. Once it is completely dry, rinse it off with normal water. And for the last step, we are going to use the oil. It contains almond oil, jojoba oil, olive oil and argan oil. It's very lightweight, it moisturizes your skin, absorbs into your skin completely and is not at all greasy. And that's it guys. Overall this kit is really nice. It does not deliver any extraordinary results. Also it is not that bad. It will make your skin smooth and brightens it up. It's very affordable and definitely worth the price we are paying. And now to shape my nails, I'm going to use these two products. But before that, I'm going to trim my nails with the nail cutter. And once I am done, I'm going to use this trimmer to even out the edges. Do this only in one direction to avoid damaging your nails. And then I use this buffing tool, which is easily available in the market. I will leave all the links in the description box for you guys to check it out. I use this smooth side to even out the uneven surface of my nails. And finally, I use this shine side which gives my nails a very nice shine. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it and find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.